Now fourth bit. 5 times the quantity n minus 3. The times will be represented with multiplication symbol and minus will be represented with minus symbol. Verbal expression of 5 times the quantity n minus 3 is 5 multiplied with n minus 3. N minus 3 will be inside the curly bracket, inside the parenthesis. 5 within bracket n minus 3. Fifth bit. 25 decreased by 4 times e. Here decreased by will be represented with minus sign and times will be represented with multiplication symbol. So verbal expression of 25 decreased by 4 times e is 4e minus 25. Sixth bit. Take away the product of 15 and t from 60. Product of will be represented with multiplication symbol and take away will be represented with subtraction symbol. So verbal expression of take away the product of 15 and t from 60 will be represented as from 60 you have to subtract the product of 15 and t. So 60 minus 15t. 60 minus 15t is the verbal expression of take away the product of 15 and t from 60. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.